What's the right way to walk with crutches when using the Crutch.tips mobile app and Smart Crutch Tips? Start by standing with all your weight on your uninjured leg and placing your crutches about 6 inches in front of your feet and slightly to the side. Your crutches will be at a bit of an angle when you do this. From this position, bring your crutches forward about 1 foot length. Then, lift your injured leg just off the ground and slide it forward in line with your crutches. Now transfer all your weight to the crutches and your injured leg, completely taking the load off your healthy leg. When distributing the load between the crutches and your injured leg, the balance arrow in the Crutch.tips app should fall in the green zone. When this happens, the beeping will become continuous. Train to get into the green zone, remembering the force you need to place on the crutches. Indicate in the app at what load you experience moderate pain. Walk on crutches while placing a load on your injured leg as recommended by your doctor. Step harder. Step softer.